Once you're ready, just come onto your knees and placing your elbows really firm and nice. Interlock your fingers and take a few deep breaths. Curl back your toes, and as you exhale, just slowly lift your knees and hips away from the mat. And putting your head down, breathe normally. Inhale and exhale. Make sure your breath is really normal. Dolphin pose is great to tone down your arm muscles, and also is great if you have tight shoulders and opens your heart really nice. So do this posture repetitively to gain the benefits. Once you're ready, slowly exhale, putting your knees down, relaxing your toes, and relax in child's pose.
First, go to a mountain posture. Place your palms on the mat, drop your head down, stretch your tailbone up. Now inhale, push your shoulders forward such that you go to a plank posture. Don't drop in your shoulders, lift your shoulders away from your ears, your nose parallel to the ground, and push your shoulders in front of the wrist. This is a proper plank to do Vasishtrasana. Now engage your core, breathe from the sides of your abdomen. Now gently drop your right hand down and then take your left palm up. Try to press the right palm from your armpit. Don't drop your hip down. Lift your hip up. Engage your glute muscles. Pull the navel inside. Push your pelvic bone up. Gently take your left palm up and then turn your neck. Look at your left palm. Keep lifting your hip up. Stay here for 4 to 5 breaths. If you're not able to do a proper plank, it's okay. You can take your one leg out and then lift your hip up. Look at your palm. After gaining your stability here, you can gently shift your leg up over the other leg and then stay. Keep lifting your hip up. Don't drop your hip down. And then exhale, come down. Repeat the same with your other side.
So first up, we're going to start with my favorite Asana or the cat cow, where I stack my wrists directly under my shoulders and my knees are directly under my hips. The thighs are perpendicular to the ground, and from here taking a deep inhale, opening towards the sky, curving the back, the entire spinal column, feeling a good stretch, and protract your shoulders, toes pointed outwards, both the hips equidistant, pressing and pushing the floor away. This asana should be practiced by everyone, irrespective of their age groups. And best part about Asana is that it's working on all fours at the same time, not just on your spinal column, but also any kind of postural deviation if you have because of long seated or long standing hours. It corrects that, working on your thoracic, lumbar and tailbone area all at the same time, easing out your pain, opening up and warming up your digestive organs, wrists, shoulders, legs, toes, all working at the same time.
So what I want you to do is just come to your mat. You'll bring your hands underneath your shoulders and extend your leg till your toes touch the ground. Then the opposite one. So always keep the body in a straight line. Because this is kind of hard, people will have the tendency to do this or drop your hips. That's really bad because you'll hurt your lower back. So always pull through your belly and make sure the body is in a straight line. Roll the shoulders and keep the body really nice and long and engage your thigh muscles. We're holding here just for 5, 4, 3, 2, and for 1. From here, see if you can come down to a forearm plank. So just come down, hold, interlace your fingers, keep the body really nice and long, and again, shoulders over your elbows, okay? Hold here just for another 5, 4, pull through the belly, 3, 2.
Turning this side, And the first main thing that you got to focus on is your back. So you don't want to lose your posture, and that doesn't look good, right? So roll your shoulders back and lean back. So you're not going to lie down and sleep here. So lean all the way back, and as you keep leaning back, you will feel like at one point you are going to topple and do like this, roll like this. So you don't want that to happen, right? So roll your shoulders back and slowly lean all the way back, just like this. So keeping your back strong and nice and sturdy. And from here, as you inhale, lift your legs slowly off the mat and keeping your upper body position straight right there, and slowly keep breathing normal breath here. Inhale, lift your legs all the way up. Now if you want to hold your legs like this, you could always support your arms just like this behind your thighs, and if you want to leave the arms and still hold the posture, then slowly release your arms to the sides of your body and hold the posture, not your breath. So remember to breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release and come back.